My name is Louise Hardwick and I work for Suffolk and North East Essex Integrated Care Board. I'm really pleased to be supporting today's event, the Global Food and Pita Festival, bringing our Be Well bus along to offer health checks to our local communities.
Well, Boscia, I'm delighted to be here once again. Ever since I became Suffolk's Police and Crime Commissioner, getting on for 13 years ago, we have always worked together, and it's been one of the most important friendships, collaborative movements that we've had. Because I do believe by working together with all communities, and I don't care where people come from, who they are, young or old, we can make Suffolk a much better place.
Tim Passmore, Police Commissioner, and we have been working together for a number of years. We're living in a multicultural society. We need to work together, which we do.
Absolutely. Well, I'm here today at the Global Food Festival. You know, that's really definitely good here. Fill me up. But you know, things like food, culture, music, sport brings everybody together.
A relationship we have built and made that continue. We can do our bit and make Ipswich and Suffolk a better place.
It's been an absolute pleasure.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Tim Passmore, one of my best buddies, and is always supporting us. Really appreciate your support.